I just wanted to introduce this type of hatching machine. This kind of hatching machine is for drawing a series of parallel lines. This is a similar design to what you would normally see from the German company Richter. Though it's from a different manufacturer, it's the same kind of philosophy. You can see there's a little push button here, and every time I push it, the ruler goes back that set amount of distance. So the way it works is there's this push button, and it's connected to kind of this metal strip with all these teeth, and those teeth rub against this gear. So every time I push it down, you can see it causes the gear to turn. That gear is on this shaft here with the spiral threading. So I'm going to push it, and that spiral threading is attached to another gear that's connected to the shaft. So every time the shaft rotates, it turns this shaft, and this shaft has two teeth, two big gears, and that's what grabs the paper and moves it back. And there's a little metal bump on the bottom here. I believe that's to keep the ruler mostly off the paper to reduce the friction, so it will move back as you sort of move back as designed. And then this is a little adjustment, so you can adjust how far back the hatching machine goes each time you push it. And so if you get really small, if you go really small, like it hardly moves at all. Even the biggest spacing is quite small. So let's see. So now you can see it go. And now I'm going to draw some lines. And you can see everything is nice and even. And so if you want longer, wider lines, then you would just push down more times. Because it can only go so high. And then let's make come down the other way like that. And if I wanted smaller lines, I can screw that down. I think it jumped a little bit there. And a little bit wider, I can push it down twice or 3 times. So now you can get consistent line spacing. It's kind of catching a bit. Must be something in the way. So it's lightweight, it's compact, it's flexible, because you can use it anywhere on a flat surface. You don't have to, there's no bar or fixed space, so you can just, anywhere you have a flat drawing surface, you can use this hatching machine. So anyways, if you happen to see one, they're usually in a big set with a bunch of other tools, but if you do see one, this is what it is, and it's pretty slick. Yeah, so this is a Richter style parallel line hatching machine. Thanks.